welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ceci Kwashi and I'm here to present to you a whole new makeup tutorial. I hope you guys like this one because I'm loving it already. So this wig, pretty this wig is from the Wig Country. Check them out on Instagram and on Facebook. It's so pretty. And it's so not like a lot, so you're so comfortable. Like, I love it, I love it. It's a closure wig, but it's made to have that kind of, you know, she's got her own signature. So like, yeah, do check them out. And yes, and let's get back to this look. Like, this is a whole burgundy kind of, it's not kind of like a dark brown, but it's more of a burgundy, and it's like, it's supposed to be a whole matte eyeshadow look, but it's got some tiny bits of glitter on the eyeshadow. So it's like, let's get to it. So yes, I give you the whole package, start to finish, of this whole makeup tutorial. I hope you guys like it. I did a nude lipstick because I think there's too much attention on the eyes, so the lips has got to be cool. Like, I don't want to have like too much attention everywhere, so it's just on the minimal. Yeah, these are mink lashes. Actually, the whole video is not sponsored. I use the L.A Girl products, like L.A Girl concealers, like, and the pressed powders. Actually really like it. And I also get to use, oh my god, this is my dog. Oh, she won't stay quiet. Yeah, and I also get to use the FlawlessIvy foundation. I mixed it up with the Maybelline foundation. I kind of like the outcome because I looked a little dark when I was done, but the whole like highlights gave me back my good color, and I'm just like perfect right now. Like, I didn't have to do any extra crazy contour. I'm just perfect. I'm just so perfect. Love it, I love it, I love it. And yes, Focallure, you can't go wrong. Imagic, you can't go wrong. Like, I'm loving this Colourpop eyeshadow palette. I'm like, girl, I need to look you in the face and tell you, if you ain't got that palette, you're missing out. Because my old eyeshadow look is kind of catchy, Colourpop, cute as fuck. Like, the eyeshadow palette is like, oh my god, it's the best. Like, man. So yes, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, do subscribe, please do subscribe. Like this video if you found it helpful, and leave a comment down below. Anything you want to know, like, and this cute pretty outfit, loving it. So yes, stay tuned and watch the whole video. See you in the next one. I'm making sure my hair is out of the way, using the silver clips to keep my hair out of place. And let's start this whole makeup tutorial. Using the Imagic brow mascara. I'm just using that as a brow gel to actually define my whole eyebrow. I just like the outcome it gives though. So I'm done with these brows. I'm then going in with the concealer shade in Warm Honey. That's the L.A Girl Pro Concealer. Actually mixed a bit with my foundation shade, so it's not so harsh because I'm a dark skin and this is actually way too bright for me. So making sure I do the tail end of my brows. I need my actual eyelid area to be really bright because I need the colors to like be outstanding. Yeah. Don't forget to use a darker concealer or foundation shade for the inner corner to just actually make it look like it's transitioning. Yeah, you just need the highlighted area at the back. And covering the whole eyelid now, blending it through, making sure it's a flawless finish for actually like a base for my eyeshadow application. good blending job is really necessary. And then I go in to set the whole area with just the pressed powder before I do the eyeshadow application. Masking tapes. So I'm using the Cute AF palette. These are the shades I'll be using in this tutorial. Let me tell you about it real quick. So the first shade I use in the crease area is the French Kiss. This is a dark brown shade. And then I went over with the GNO. That's like an orangey shade for the on top of the crease. That's to create a kind of transition shade. And then I actually did a combo with the Spoiled and French Kiss to create a kind of burgundy shade. So yeah. So now I'm making sure I do a real good job, like with the whole eyeshadow look. It's really very important. The gradients, the way you blend it all in, it's really very important to create that kind of good like gradient effect, eyeshadow feel. It's so very important. So if you're going for a whole matte look, make sure you use like really good pressed powder shades, but in eyeshadow I mean, to create the whole like look. And make sure you blend. It's very necessary. Blend. Yes, I love this look, guys. I really do. And we done. Using the Imagic eyeliner gel. It's really a jet black and it's a beautiful eyeliner. Just doing a short wing this time. Nothing extra serious. So yeah. Using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and the FlawlessIvy. That's a Nigerian brand. I actually like it, so yeah. I'll list the exact shades I use down below. I like to use the milk of magnesia as a face primer. I know I'm just a fan, like, so well. I just like the way it keeps me matte, and I don't know. Let me know if you guys want me to use a different primer in my next tutorial. Just hit me up, leave a comment down below, and let's see how it goes. Then I went in with the same concealer I used under the eyebrow to highlight underneath my eye, just to create that brightness. Actually, let it sit for a few minutes before you blend it through. It gives it a really good coverage, like really good coverage. You're going to see this in a little bit. I used a pressed powder this time to actually set the concealed areas. Well, it's not so necessary to bake every time, so sometimes you've got to do something different. But I still feel the pressed powder gives you another beautiful outcome, and you guys should try just using the pressed powder to set. It gives you a very beautiful outcome. So yeah. Making sure I do those cheek contour. I'm using the L.A Girl pressed powder in the shade Cocoa. This is their darkest shade, and I actually love to use this for my contours. Setting the entire face now with my actual pressed powder shade. I'm using the Cocoa collection this time. I just love the shade and I feel it's like my perfect shade. So I'm just going all over my face to set the whole pressed powder and the contour together. Melanin glow. So yes, I get to feature the whole Colorbox melanin glow 24K. It's so pretty, guys. Using some mascara for both the top and bottom lashes. Just want to keep the whole area black and nice. Yes. And then I line my lips with the lip pencil. It's a dual stuff because you can also use it for your eyebrow. So yeah, just use to line my lips before I actually use my lip crayon. This time I'm using the Focallure lip crayon in the shade 08. I'll leave the exact name in the description down below. So yeah. So that's the end of this whole tutorial. I hope you guys like this whole tutorial. Like, it was so fun doing it, and yes, I did have to clean some parts of my eyeshadow and do it again, but it was worth it. I'm so happy. So let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and to like this video if you found it helpful, and check out my other videos as well. Thanks guys. Bye.